First, start small. Kasi when I started to do ROC, nag-expect talaga agad ako ng malaki. Sobrang laki. And then, in the middle of the journey ko lang na-realize that, yeah, I really have to start talaga to small. Pero pwede ko pala maging inspiration yung dreams ko to bigger. Kasi when you go to the big na agad, you will be inconsistent. So, start small, think big. Can be manageable sa mga business goals mo. Build strong network. So, I suggest to have friends or peers or mentors if you can have a mentor that you can guide and support. I started not to have a guide. As in talagang research ako. Hindi pa ganun ka-strong yung popularity ng mentor. Pero that's why I'm lucky ngayon kasi we have mentorship programs like Go Negosyo, so AIM, DTI. So, yeah, you can search good mentors, trainings, and other programs nila. And embrace the digital tools. Sometimes kasi mas maganda na isama natin technology kasi hindi na siya lumalabas sa lahat ng departments ng company natin. Mga operations man, marketing, or account or client engagements. And stay resilient. Challenges is always there. So, i-try natin ang best natin maging persistent tayo and to adapt. So, of course, learn from the failures, yung marupok ka, yun. Pero, gusto mo pa rin maging better para makapag-move forward ka.